Golfer Aditi Ashok has finished fourth in the Tokyo Olympic Games in the individual stroke play. It's a very credible fourth place finish for the young Indian golfer who's only 23 years old. This was her second Olympic Games after Rio. She had finished 41st in Rio. Now she has finished in the fourth place, and it's a historic fourth place finish because never before has any Indian golfer gone this far in Olympic Games. Of course, Olympics golf was back after a century in Tokyo, so not many golfers would have contested at that time, but I can tell you that the gold medal in this match has gone to world number 1. The silver medal has been sealed off by the local favorite Inami Mone, and the bronze medalist has gone to former world number 1 from New Zealand, Lydia Ko. Aditi Ashok, they're finishing in the fourth place. I'm joined at this hour to talk about this incredible performance of the 23-year-old Indian golfer Champika Sayal, who's the Secretary General of Women's Golf Association of India. Champika, thank you very much for talking to us this morning and sharing such great news coming from Indian golf. Your first reaction, and tell us the kind of impact that this performance is going to have.
Thank you for calling me on your show. I think it's been one of the proudest weeks for women's golf in India. For Aditi, who I know for sure, her preparation for the Tokyo Olympics started at Rio in 2016. She was quite determined at that time. I saw her play that tournament, and now seeing the kind of maturity and absolutely brilliant golf that she's played over the last 4 days, she has kept all her Indian fans, very engaged in watching her game, her maturity, her poise. She's been very confident and calm. I think that's been a fantastic, breakthrough for India and women's golf in particular. Her missing the medal is something, personally for her, a big disappointment. For us in women's golf, it is still absolutely top class what she's done. Her display has been superb. In this particular Olympic 2020 for Tokyo, she was ranked 44th, and she was, tied second for 3 days. This afternoon also, I think a little bit of distraction with the rain that came in. She was in full concentration at that point in time. I think that, what has been fantastic with Aditi is that everybody who's watched her has said that this girl is now already in preparation for the Paris Olympics, which is in 2024. And knowing her, she's, full of humility and a fantastic sports person. My, heartiest congratulations to her and her family. Her mother, who is at the back, has also shown tremendous grit in supporting her daughter. As far as the Women's Golf Association is concerned, we need to congratulate Diksha Dagar, who was the last person to get in at rank 60th. She's finished at 50th spot, which is pretty commendable for her, considering that she took a 17-hour journey just to enter in the first practice round. So credit goes to Diksha Dagar as well, and it's we are very, very proud of both the players. They have performed extremely well.
Champika, let me ask you about the final shot that Aditi played. Had she managed a better shot, had she managed a birdie putt on the 18th hole, perhaps things would have been different. She would have got into a tie with the Japanese golfer.
Well, it was a possibility, but I would say that, it doesn't necessarily have to be on the 18th. 17th was as important, 16th was 16, 17, the last 3 holes, but in the end, everybody is trying that much harder. And in golf, sometimes when you try too hard, it becomes a spoiler. So you have to, hang in there. Now, every player is trying their best. Okay.
Right.
So, but in a sport like golf, if you try too hard, you can make a mess as well. You can, you might get double bogey or a bogey. So the fact is that the course was playing tough. There was a disruption with rain, and sometimes you can lose your the tempo of play and focus, concentration. And like I said, Lydia Ko is ranked number 10. Nelly Korda was ranked number 1, and the Japanese player had the benefit of playing on her local at home. So all these factors are important, I would say.
Champika, let me ask you two quick questions. One is about Aditi's putt. The golf commentators were saying that they were describing her with these words: sensational, supernatural, and frightening. Could you talk us through, the putt that she has and the kind of impact that putt makes?
Yeah. So let me just tell you that Aditi, since the age of 9. Between her, real grooming years, from the age of 9 onwards till now, her short game has been her strongest point, and putting in particular. And she used to putt for hours and hours and hours, practicing this, perfecting her putting and her short game. I know for a fact that Aditi did have COVID earlier this year. Her long game has to be a little, maybe she needs a little attention. But I think for a course, she was playing an old style course, which is the one in Japan in this Olympics. Now, old style courses, you need to be focusing a lot on the scoring. It's good to hit big shots, but I think she played the right game. Playing 15 under in the Olympics is very, very creditable. And let me tell you, in Rio, a minus 16 won the tournament. Okay,
right.
So they're all close. One shot here, there in golf, is really, of course, there's a reward at the end of it,
but a very narrow miss.
But in terms of quality, everybody was there. It was, sometimes when you go for the kill.
Let me ask you, what next for Aditi? Where does she go from here after this high of Tokyo?
Aditi will be back playing her LPGA events in the US and bigger tournaments. And like I said, knowing a personality like Aditi, she would start preparation for the 2024 Olympics straight away in Paris.
And what impact will this performance of her have on women's golf in India? We know the kind of impact Deepa Karmakar's 4th place finish had from the Rio Olympic Games. What will this performance achieve in terms of Indian golf?
Yeah, so I think Aditi has been an icon much from the time of Rio, which is 5 years ago, and she has built up so much of goodwill for Indian golf worldwide. Today, after her performance in the Olympics, which according to me, of course, is the greatest platform to perform, she hit the right week. There are going to be hundreds of girls coming in to play this game, and that's what we want. You must understand that in India, golf has not been given the recognition that it should be by government authorities. They should be much more focused on spreading the game out. We are trying our best. If you see the player base of Japan, Korea, and the US and Australia, all the nations, it's far bigger than us. We have been smaller in the numbers that we have as our base, primarily to the fact that it's a little time consuming and it's a very difficult game. As you can see, it's not like other sports. It doesn't finish in 10 seconds or 1 hour or 2 hours. It's a 4-day rule, and a very important change of mindset and thinking, which I would like to share, is when people call this game elite, they talk about it being elite in terms of the quality. The quality of the game is elite, and in that factor means you have to be top class to play. Okay, there's a misconception of it being projected as an elitist sport. That is not correct, and that needs to be rectified for the future. Elite golf means it is the high quality and intellectual sport that you're playing at the level that you're playing. You have to be full of grit, determination, and confidence. Yeah. So that's my message. I know a lot of young girls who are already in preparation. And I think by the time we have Paris in 2028, we are going to have a much bigger and a better base, and for people to, of course, Aditi has, set a fantastic benchmark. And it's
Right.
reminding me of a time when Mr. Milkha Singh may have missed his medal, his fourth position in his
In the Rome
race
Olympic Games.
in the Rome Olympics. So this is something like that, but yet the future is very good for all our young players, and Aditi and both
Right.
Diksha, Tressa, all these girls are showing remarkable, performance levels on an
And
international.
I
and
hope come
global forum.
Paris, there are many more girls in that
Of course.
field in golf from India. Thank you very much, Champika Sayal, for coming on NDTV on this broadcast this morning
Yeah, but
and
please,
sharing.
please spread the message that this time it was completely a women's show, women leading and women showing India
At the
what golf
Olympic
is all
Games.
about. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much.